So today in this video I'm going to be doing a recommend kind of video where I'm going to recommend these to you. These are not expensive makeup products. Like by anyone's standards, these are not expensive. These were 75 pence I believe they were, or 79 pence, one of the two, from Home Bargains. I'm so happy that I took the plunge and actually bought these two. They are these, which are the W7 Base Ace. It's very hard to say that with my accent. Base Ace. That's how I'd say it normally, probably. But yeah, it's these. So these are essentially primers, but you can use them both for your eyes and your lips, which I think is genius anyway. But you have one that is white, which will work really well with your light colours. If you just kind of want a neutral lip or anything like that, this is for you. And then there is a black one. Now, if you enjoy wearing the good old black eyeliner, black eyeshadow, black lips, this is incredible. Really, really nice. I have used this one more because I've kind of got brighter eyeshadow things going on recently, but these are incredible. I've been finding recently that my eyeshadow will constantly crease. Like, even if I use the P. Louise eyeshadow base, it still will here, like this corner on both eyes, it will always crease and it will look terrible like by a couple of hours into the day. I have not had that issue with this one. I haven't used, as I said, I haven't used this one as much because I haven't been wearing as much just dark eyeshadow, but this one I would recommend to absolutely anyone if you're planning on wearing any eyeshadow. You could probably put black on top of this and it would work better. My eyeshadow hasn't been creasing, it's been looking really nice throughout the day. When I put it on, the colour is a lot more vibrant because you're putting it onto like a white base. Yeah, so this is essentially called Universal Lip and Eye Primer, Brighten and Pop. So I think it only comes in these two colours, but let me kind of show you a little swatch. So that's the white one, and then obviously you kind of pat it down so that it's, you can see where it is, you can see where the colour is, but when you pack colour on top of that, it's really, really nice. And the black one, very much similar, just black. Oh, I've just got it all over my hand. I'm a professional. Yeah, it's got all over my hand. But that is the black one. As you can see, that it is a very, very pigmented black. And then when you kind of dull it down a little bit, you've got this colour kind of base that you would put your colour on top of. I'm guessing you could probably like, let me test something. I'm going to test putting like a colour on top of this black because, as I said, I haven't used this one as much, but ooh, that gives purples a really nice kind of black undertone. I'm not using the best eyeshadow at the moment, but as you can see, that kind of has a purple and black tinge to it. I like that. But yeah, as for using it for your lips, I have used this pretty much every day for my lips, and my lipstick has actually stayed on a lot better. It applies a lot better as well because it kind of gives you that base. And yeah, for under £1, these are incredible. Like, specifically the white one. The white one is one of the best bases I have ever used, and it's under £1. So I'm probably gonna get a few of these next time I go in Home Bargains just to stock up on it, just in case they decide they don't want to make it anymore or anything. But I definitely would recommend this one. Yeah, it's a really quick one. I just wanted to talk about those bases, and in case anyone didn't know they existed, I didn't know they existed until I literally just had a look one day and thought, oh, that looks interesting, so I'll try it. And yeah, it's amazing. I love it. So yeah, that is everything. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button, leave a comment if you're planning on buying one of these bases. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I will see you all in the next one. Adios!